What if I told you one of the most useful inventions in your house started with something incredibly annoying? A few tiny burrs stuck to a dog's fur. In 1941, a Swiss engineer named George de Mestral went for a walk with his dog. When he came back, he noticed something strange. Tiny burrs were stuck all over his clothes and his dog's fur. Most people would simply pull them off and move on. But de Mestral became curious. He asked, "How are these tiny things holding up so tightly?" So he put one under a microscope, and what he saw was fascinating. The burr wasn't using glue, it had tiny hooks that were catching onto tiny loops in fabric and fur. And that's when he had an idea. What if humans could copy nature? One side could have tiny hooks and the other side could have tiny loops. Press them together, they stick. Pull them apart, they separate. But turning that simple idea into something that could actually be manufactured wasn't easy. It took years of experimentation and development. And that's what I love about this story. The invention didn't begin with a laboratory. It began with curiosity. Instead of saying, "That's annoying," he asked, "Why does this happen?" And sometimes that's where great ideas begin. Not by knowing the answer, but by being curious enough to ask a better question. So the next time something small annoys you, don't immediately ignore it. Look closer. Because sometimes the problem you are complaining about is hiding in an idea you haven't discovered yet. Someone in your life probably needs to hear this. Send it to them.